class. How are you? All are fine and all are completing your work, children. Hope you are doing. Let's continue with our class. Today we are going to learn one more new letter, that is J. J says J. Okay. Shall we color, children? Yes. See here. Like this you are going to color. Okay, and a small dot here. Okay, like this. You are going to color the letter J says J. Yes, you can see, children, the letter J says J is also looking colorful. Children, we are going to see few pictures and we'll see what are those pictures. Okay, see, this is J says J. You can see few pictures here. Shall we see what are those pictures? Yes, children. The first one, it is a jet. What is this? This is a jet. What do you mean by jet, children? Jet means it is a airplane. It is a similar like a aeroplane. Okay. But it will have one or more engines. It doesn't have only one engine. It will have more than one. Okay. Even the jet can fast traveler. Okay, can travel very fast than the planes. Okay, it is very fast. Okay, and it even carries the passengers. So this is a jet. Next one, what is this? This is a jar. This is a jar. What do you mean by jar, children? It is a container like a dabbi. Okay, with a which has the lid. Like that, it is a container which has a wide mouth. Okay, big mouth. Okay, so you can fill whatever you can fill, the snacks, sugar, salt, pepper, whatever you want, the chili powders. Okay, so you will keep it in the container. Next one, it's a juice. Yes, juice. I know you all love the juice, right? Than water, you love to drink juice. But it's not good to have too much of juice, children. Okay? The fresh fruit juice and all, that is okay. It is good. The lime juice is good. Okay? But the juice like Mirinda, Fanta, Sprite, Coca-Cola, like that. There are many different kinds of juices. But that is all not good. Okay? You can have the lime juice, fresh fruit juice and all. Okay, even you can make juice with the vegetables also. Okay, next one, it is jaguar. It is a animal, children. Okay, dangerous animal. Okay, it is like the belongs to the cat species. Okay, and it resembles, it looks like leopard also. Okay, and a dangerous animal. Next one, jackal. What do you mean by jackal? It is one kind of mammal. Okay, it looks like dog, fox and all. Okay, and the jackal, it will have a small face. You can see here, its face is small. Okay, and which has the delicate legs. Its legs are not very strong. Okay, and a fluffy tails. Okay, then it will have a long ears. Okay, so this is a jackal. It looks like little bit like dog. Okay, next one, jungle. Jungle means kadu. Okay, where it is a forest, where you can see the trees, animals, stream. Okay, hmm? That is a jungle. This is juggler. What do you mean by juggler, children? He looks like a joker, right? Yes. Okay, juggler means a person which is a person who is skilled in keeping several objects into the movements, into the motion. Okay, that is, you can see this person is tossing the balls. How many balls he has? One, two, three, and four. He has four balls at a time. He will be keep on tossing, he will keep on throwing the balls. You can see mainly in the circus children, you can see this kind of act. Okay, they will take 4 to 5 balls, they will keep on throwing and catching. Okay, that is, he is called as juggler. Next one, it is a jackfruit. Jackfruit, it is a, in the name itself it is there, it's a fruit. It's a large big fruit. If you open, you can see the fruit inside. Okay, and this jackfruit is very good in vitamin A, children. So children, you have learned few words and you know, came to know what does it mean. Okay, hope you understood. Children, we shall move on to the writing part. Children, we are going to write the letter J. How do you write the letter J, children? It's very easy. Okay, shall I show you? Yes. See here, one standing line. Can you see? This is a standing line. From this down, you're going to make a curve. This is, see, like this, and one small sleeping line. This is J. Okay, see here, one standing line coming down and just bend little, and one sleeping line. This is a capital letter J. Okay, now we shall trace. See here, one standing line and a small curve, little bit bend curve like this, and a sleeping line. Okay, one standing line and just one small curve and a sleeping line. Okay, once again, see here, standing line, curve, and a sleeping line like this. This is a capital letter J. Shall we move on to write the cursive letter, children? How do you write the cursive letter? Okay, see here, from down, little bit slant, go up, come down with a standing line, and just go up and bend and a tail and a small dot. That is J. J. Okay, see here, go up, come down, bend like this, join here, and a dot. This is J says J. Shall we trace? Yes, children. From here, go up and a small dot, slant line, standing line, bend like this, get outside, and a dot. Okay, slant line, standing line, curve, and a dot. This is J says J. Next, shall we write the capital letter J, children, with the 3 lines? How? See here, same as I shown there. From the first line to the third line, you are going to draw one standing line. Okay, see here, this is a standing line. From this end, you are going to touch up and a sleeping line. Okay, children. Next, again one standing line, and from here you will bend and touch the second line and a sleeping line. This is J. See here, standing line. Touch the third line, children. From there, go up and touch the second line and one sleeping line here. Okay, once again, standing line and bend here, touch the second line and a sleeping line. Okay, yes, see here, Yes, I put the dots. Okay, this is J. This is J. Here, for 3 lines, I have put 2 dots. Your parents will help you write touching those and complete the full page. Next page, again you are going to write the letter J. J. Okay. As I told, you will repeat and write, children. Otherwise, you will forget the letters. Okay. J. Okay. Now we shall write the cursive letter J. Yes. See here. Here you will start from the third line, children. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Third line. From the third line, little bit slant, touch the second line. So here, touch the second line. Come down to the fourth line and a tail and a small dot. Yes. Next, again slant, touch the second line, come down and a tail like this and a dot. See here, slant line. Again come down. This is a standing line and bend and a tail and a small dot. Okay. Like this. This is J. Next. Again you are going to write J. Slant, a standing line and a tail like this. J. Like this. Okay. J. Okay, children. Next, you will recall what you have studied all these days. Okay. That is, S says N says N, P says P, T says T, A says A, B says B, M says M, R says R. Okay. L says L, O says O, C says K, D says D, H says H, F says F, E says E, G says G. Okay, how you are going to write, children? Each letter you are going to write three lines. Okay, you see this and write same for the 3 lines, children. Okay, like this you are going to write here also. Okay, three lines you are going to write the same letter. Yes, see here, children, you can see the picture that is in the page number 32. Okay, what you are going to do, you are going to color the picture. I know that you all love coloring, right? Yes. So what color the grass will be? This is a grass, children. Okay. So what color it will be? It will be in the green color. So we shall color with the green color. Okay. Like this you are going to color. Right? Yes. Okay. You will color the full page and this is a homework for you, children. Full page you will color. Right? Yes. Thank you, children.